Hello student, multiplication of matrix. What is the multiplication of matrix? Multiply of two matrix, it means the number of column in matrix A is always equal to the number of element in matrix B. If the number if the number of column in matrix A is equal the number of element in row in second matrix, then the multiplication is possible. Otherwise, multiplication is not possible. This is the main condition of multiplication of matrix. Suppose if A and B are two matrices, the order of matrix A is 1 by 3, the order of matrix B is 3 by 1, the number of element in column matrix A is 3, the number of row in matrix B is 3, both are equal, then the multiplication is possible or exist or defined. The order of new matrix is 1 by 1. The number row and number of column is cancelled out, then the remaining order 1 by 1 is the order of the new matrix. Similarly, the few example more here. B and A are two matrices. The order of B is 2 by 1. The order of A is 4 by 2. The 2 by 1 is means the number of column matrix A is 1 and the number of row matrix A is 4. This is not equal, then the multiplication is not possible, not exist. It is clear or not defined. The next example, A and B are two matrices. The order of matrix A is 6 by 2. The order of matrix B is 6 by 3. The number of column matrix A is 2. The number of row in matrix B is 6. Then the column and row element number of column number of row is not equal, then the multiplication in matrix is not possible. It is clear everyone. First we check that the number of column of the first matrix is equal to number of row in second matrix. If equal, then multiplication is possible. If not equal, then multiplication is not possible. It is clear. This is the main step of the multiplication. In the last example here, the A and B are two matrices. The number of column in the matrix is 3. Number of row in matrix B is 3. Both are equal. Then the multiplication is possible and the new order of matrix is 2 by 2. Now, what is the procedure of multiplication? First step is the multiplication is possible or not possible. If the multiplication is possible, what is the process? How to multiply the element of matrix? The main question is how to multiply the element of matrix. The main step in the multiplication of the matrices is row is multiplied by column. If we take the first row, then we multiply the first column of the second matrix. If we take the first row of first matrix, then multiply by the second column of matrix. One by the row is taken and multiply 1 by 1 column of the second matrix. Then the one row in the each column is complete in the second matrix. Then the first row multiplication is complete in the second matrix. Then after that we take the second row. For example, here there are 2 row and 3 column in matrix, and the second matrix is 3 row and 2 column matrix. First we check out the number of column in the first matrix is 3. 1, 2, 3, and the number of row in the second matrix is also 3. The multiplication is possible. But how to multiply these row or these column into matrix? The main question is arise. So student, first we take first row of the first matrix and multiply by the first column of matrix. Row multiply by the column by the corresponding element, similar element. Suppose if the first row first element is A11, then the first column element we take B11. A11 multiply B11, we get A11 into B11. After then few more element in the first row, few more element in the column, first column. Then we move to the second element of the first row, B12, and the second element of the first column in second matrix is B21. Both the multiply again, and after then the plus sign, and the last element of the first row is A13, and the last element of the first column is second matrix is B31. Multiply all the element first row is complete in the all the element of first column in matrix B is complete, is multiply. Then this is received the first element of new matrix C11. It is clear. If few more element in first row, then few more element in the first column in matrix B, then multiply and continue similar process. Now the first row, first column multiplication is complete in the receive first element in new matrix. Now we come in the second column of second matrix. The row is similar, first row, the column is changed. ठीक, तो first row multiply the second column, same procedure. We take first element of the first row A11. Now we take the second column, first element B12, multiply A11 B12. Now we take the second element of the first row. Then we take the element of the second column of the matrix B is again multiply and then plus sign. And the last element of the first row is A13. Then we take the last element of the second row is B32, multiply. Then we receive then addition, after then the addition of all the element, then we receive the second element, first row second element of new matrix. No more column in the second matrix B, then the first row multiplication is completed. If B more column is here, suppose B13, B12, then we multiply first row in the third column. But here not if the two column is given, then the first row multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second row matrix, second row in the first matrix. Again the similar process and receive the second row element of the new matrix. Now we take second row of the first matrix, multiply the first column of new second matrix. Similar process, A21 multiply the first element of the second first column of the matrix B11. Then we receive the A21 B11. Then second column. Then the second element of first row is A22, multiply of the first column second element B21. The last row, first row second row last element A23, multiply of the last element of the first column of second matrix is B31. All the first row multiply one by one of first column of the second matrix. Then we receive the second column first element of new matrix C21 after addition of each element multiply. Then only last condition is here, second column, second row and second column is remaining. Then the multiply one by one each element, and after the addition the receive the last element C22 of the new matrix. So new matrix order is, the matrix order of matrix A's order is a 2 row 3 column 2 by 3, and the matrix B order is, then the 3 common element 3 cancel 2 by 2. The new matrix order is 2 by 2 is, it means 2 row 2 column element. We receive the multiplication of the matrix of this. Clear everyone? Now we come in the solve example. Solve example. The first question is, check the multiplication of matrix A and B is possible or not possible. If possible, then find it. The question is, we check it, multiplication is possible or not. So first we check the order of matrix. The order of matrix, if the number of column of matrix A is equal to number of row in matrix B, then the multiplication is possible and find it. If it is not equal, then not find out, and multiplication is not possible. It is clear everyone? Start the first question from here. In the first question, the order of matrix is order of A, order of A. What is the order of A? 2 row 2 by 1. Order of B, order of B, two by 1, 2 row first column. Now the main question is the number of column in the first matrix is 1 and the number of row in the second matrix is 2. It is not equal. The order of is the number of column is not equal to number of row. Then the multiplication is not possible. Number of column is not equal to number of row in matrix A and B, then the multiplication is not possible. It is clear everyone? Multiplication is not possible. Multiplication of matrix is not possible. Reason is clear because the number of column element in matrix A is not equal to number of row element in matrix B. Then the multiplication is not possible. It is clear. Now we come in the second example. In the second example, order of matrix A equal to 3 by 1 order of matrix B one by 3. Now we see that the number of column in first matrix is 1. Matrix A number of column is 1. Number of row in matrix B is also 1. Both the row and column matrix A and B is equal, then the multiplication is possible. It is clear the multiplication is possible and find it. Multiplication is possible and find it. Is possible. Now calculate the A cross B. Now find out. Now find the value of A cross B. A cross B equal to, note down the matrix A, matrix B, A cross B. Now we multiply the same process we tell you before, the multiply of row and column. Okay, we take the first row, first column, multiply, and we take the first row, second column, the second element of first row, and we take the first row and third column, we find out the third element of the first row. So one by one we take the row and multiply the one by one each column. The next line, the first row element is 1, the first column element is also is 1, the 1 multiplied by 2, we receive the first row, first column element. Now here are more column, 1, 2, 3 column. The first row multiply the second column element, only single element. So 1 is multiplied by 4 again. One multiplied by 4. Now we first row multiply the third column element to 1 multiplied by 6. The first row is multiply the first column, then we receive the first element of first row. First row multiply by the second column, then we receive the first row second column element. If first row multiply the third column, then we receive the first row third column element. First row multiplication is complete because there are no more element in the column in second matrix. Now we come in the second row. Second row, same procedure. Second row multiply by the first column. Then 2 is multiplied by 2. Then second row is multiplied by the second column. 2 multiplied by 4. Now the second row multiplied by the third column. 2 is multiplied by 6. Then the second row multiplication is complete by the each column of the second matrix. Now we come in the third row. Third row, similar procedure. Third row is multiplied by the each column, one by one each column of the second matrix. Start by the first column. So 3, second row is multiplied with the first column, then 3 multiplied by 2, only single element here, then 3 multiplied by 2. The first row, first column multiplication is complete, and then receive third row, first column element in matrix A cross B. Now with third row multiplied by the second column, then we receive only single element, then we receive 3 multiplied by 4, only single element. Now we third row multiply by the third column in the last procedure of this multiplication. Then the 3 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 6. Then each row, each column multiplication is complete. It is the final answer of the multiplication of A cross B. Now we solve this matrix in the next step. One multiplied by 2, then we receive 2. 1 by multiplied by 4, then we 4. 1 by 6, then we 6. Write down the same position. 2 by 2, 4. Write down 4 in the same position. 2 by 4, 8. Write down in the same position. 2 by 6. Write down in the same position. 6 by 12. 3 to the 6. Write down in the same position. 3 4 the 12. Write down in the same position. 3 6 the 18. Write down in the same position. Then this is the final result of A cross B. It is clear. First we check out the number of column matrix A equal to number of row in matrix B. Both are equal. Then the multiplication is possible, exists. Then we find the multiplication by the procedure. The main procedure is row is multiplied by column. First row multiply of each column of second matrix. Then we receive the first row element in new matrix. And after then we take the second row and similar procedure multiply of each column of second matrix. Then we receive the second row element of new matrix. After then the third row we take and multiply of each column of second matrix. Then we receive the each element of new matrix of third row. It is clear everyone? One by one column multiply, one by one row multiply by column. Then we receive the element of new matrix. This is the procedure of multiplication. It is clear, everyone? Now we come in the next example. I hope you understand of this type question. The procedure is same. A and B are two matrices. First we check the order of matrix. Order of A. Order of A. How many row? One row, column, four column, so 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Order of B. Order of B. What is the order of B? So how many row? 4 row. And how many column? 1 column. Now we check the number of column matrix A are equal to the number of row in matrix B. Yes. The number of column matrix A is 4. Number of row in matrix B in 4. Both are equal. Then the multiplication is possible. And find it. It is clear? Multiplication is possible and find out. A cross B. A cross B equal to. Note down the matrix A value. Into matrix B value. Now procedure is same. In the last question, row is multiplied by the column. So number of element in row is 4. This is the element of row and number of element in column is this. So multiply in the new step. Row is multiplied by the column. Now first row is multiplied by first column. Only single element received. So 2 is multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 1. Then plus. The second element of matrix is 4. The second element of column is 2 and 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2. Then 4 multiplied by 2. The next element of third element of matrix, the first row is 6 and the third element of first column is 3. Then 6 multiplied by 3. 6 multiplied by 3. The last element of first row is 1 and the last element of first column is 4. 1 is multiplied by 4. 1 is multiplied by 4. And the first row, first column multiplication is complete. No more column, no more row. Then multiplication is not again of. Then we simplify of this type of matrix in next step. Simplify 2 into 1, 2. 4 2 ja 8, 6 3 ja 18, 4 1 ja 4. Then the result is, final result is A cross B. Then 28 32. Final result is 32. This is the answer of A cross B. It is clear? A and B are two matrices are given. First we check the order of matrix. If order is equal, then the multiply. Now the order of matrix is A 1 by 4. Order of matrix B is 4 by 1. Then the common element 4 and 4 cancel out. The last element of matrix A, the first element of matrix B is cancel out. Then the remaining element 1 by 1, the order of new matrix. And check out the order of matrix is 1 by 1. It is clear. To also check the process of the multiplication order of matrix by the given order of A and B. Clear? Now we come in the last question. A and B, then the number of orders. Now we find order of A and B, order of B, order of A, 3 row 2 column, 3 row 2 column. Order of B, what is the order? 3 row into 3 column. The number of column matrix A is 2, number of row in matrix B is 3, is not equal to, then the multiplication is not possible. Then the multiplication is not possible. It is clear, everyone? Then the multiplication is not possible. Order is not, the number of column and number of row is not equal to, then multiplication is not possible. Clear, everyone? These are some questions of the multiplication is possible or not possible is complete, and how to multiply to one matrix to the second matrix is clear, everyone. Now we come in the next slide. Multiplication is complete. The example of the multiplication also given here is the number of row is 2, number of column is 3. In here, the number of row is 3, number of column is 2. The number of column is 3, number of row is 3. The multiplication is possible. Then the multiply, the first row is first column. Then after the addition, then the first element of first row, and the first row second column multiply, then we receive the first row second element, and after then the second row first column is multiply, then we receive the second row first element, and the second row second column is multiply, then we receive the second row second column element, and the multiplication is here. It is clear, everyone? Some property of multiplication. If I is the unit matrix, and A is the matrix, if A is multiply unit matrix or unit matrix multiply by A, then we receive only matrix. It is clear? What is the second property? Associative law. Associative law, it means B and C multiply, after then we multiply by A, equal to A and B multiply, then we receive multiply by C is equal. And the first distribution law of, what is the first distribution law? If A is multiply B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. And the second distribution law is if A plus B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by C plus B multiplied by C is the sum property of multiplication. Dear student, we have some important point. If A be not generally equal to BA, it may be equal or generally may not be equal. If AB is 0, then neither A nor B necessary to 0. If AB equal to AC, B not necessary to equal to C. This is the some important point of the multiplication. Now we come to the some question, numerical question, solve to some numerical question. Of the property of matrix multiplication. Verify associative law of multiplication. What is the associative law of multiplication? Associative law of multiplication is A bracket B multiply C equal to AB multiplied by C. So first we note down the associative law of addition and prove it. Associative law of multiplication. A, B, C equal to bracket में A, B, C. This is the associative law of multiplication. Now we first multiply BC and AB. Multiply BC equal to B cross C equal to, note down the value of B. B multiply by C BC is equal to B multiply by C. First we check the number of column in first matrix is 2, number of row in second matrix is also 2, the multiplication is possible. Now we multiply by the multiplication procedure. Row is multiplied by the column. First row multiply of each column of the first second matrix one by one. In the next step, now the first row is multiplied by the first column. So first row element multiplied by the first column element in the second matrix, then the 1 is multiplied by minus 1. 1 is multiplied by minus 1. After then plus symbol, Second element of first row is 0. The second element of first column is 0, also 0. Then 0 is multiplied by 0. Zero is multiplied by 0. So first row, first column element, first row, first column multiplication is complete. Now the first row is multiplied by the second column. The first row, first element is 1 and the second column, first element is 0, then 1 is multiplied 0. Plus first row, second element is 0, multiply the second column, second element is 0, 0 is multiplied by 2. Now the first row, each column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second row, second column multiply the each column of the matrix. Then we receive the second row element of the new matrix. First we start the second row, first column multiplication. 0 is multiplied by 1, 0 multiply minus 1. Again the second element also 0 multiplied by the second element of the first column is also 0, 0 is multiplied by 0. Second row multiplication is complete by the first column. Now second row is multiplied by the second column, 0 is multiplied by 0, 0 is multiplied by 0. Second row is multiplied by the 0 second element is multiplied by the second element of the column, 0 multiplied by 2. Then the multiplication of each row in this column complete. First row is multiplied by first column, 1 is minus 1, 0 in 0. First row is multiplied by the second column element, then we receive the first row, second element of the new matrix. Then 1 into minus 1, 1 into 0, first we multiply the second element, 0 into 2. Now we come in the second row is multiplied by the first column element, then we receive the second row, first column element, 0 into minus 1, 0 into 0. Now we second row multiply by the second column of the element, 0 into 0, 0 into 2. Each row, each column multiplication is complete. Now we solve in next step of this the addition and subtraction of the matrix. One into minus 1 minus the result is minus 1. 0 into 0 result is 0. 1 into 0 result is 0. Note down 0 in the same position. 2 into 0 result is 0. Note down in the same position. 1 into 0 result is 0. 0 into 0 result is 0. Note down into 0 into 0, 0, note down into 0 in the same position, 0 into 2, note down 0 into same position. Now this multiplication is complete by the row and column. Now simplify in next step, final result. So 1 into minus 1 plus 0, result is minus 1, note down the same position. 0 in plus 0, result is 0, note down the same position. 0 plus 0, result is 0, note down the same position. 0 plus 0, 0, note down the same position. This is the multiplication of BAC. Now we find the multiplication of AB. A multiply by AB equal to A multiply by B equal to, note down the value of A and B. A multiply by B note down B. Same process, multiply row and column in matrix A and B. First row multiply by first column, then we receive the first element. 1 by 1 row multiply 1 by 1 column, then we receive the particular row element in the matrix. First we start the first row multiply by the first column, then we receive the first row first column element in new matrix A cross B. 1 multiply by 1 similar element corresponding element 1 plus second element of first row is -1 multiply by the second element matrix is 0. Then the first row first column multiplication is complete. Now we first row multiply by the second column, then we receive the first row second element of the matrix A cross B. 1 is multiplied by 0 plus second element is -1 is multiplied by 0. First row second column multiplication is complete. Now we come in the second row. Second row multiply by the first column, then we receive the second row first column element of the matrix A cross B. Then 0 is multiplied 1, 0 is multiplied by 1, 2 is multiplied 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0. First row first column second row first column multiplication is complete. Now we second row multiply by the last column, then we receive the second row second column element. 0 is multiplied by 0 plus 2 is multiplied by 0. Now simplify in the next step of the matrix A cross B. One into 1 -1 multiplied by 0, then the answer is 0. Write down 0 in the same position. 1 into 0, result is 0. Note down 0 in the same position. -1 into 0, 0. Note down the 0 in the same position. 1 into 0, 0. Note down 0 in the same position. 2 into 0, 0. Note down in the same position. 0 into 0, 0. Note down in the same position. 2 into 0, 0. Note down into same position. Then A cross B is almost its complete multiplication. Simplify in the next step, then find the final result of A cross B. 1 plus 0 is answer is 1. Note down the same position. 0 into 0 plus 0. Note down 0 in the same position. And 0 plus 0. Note down 0 into same position. Into same position. This is the A cross B. Now we find first the bracket value B cross C and A cross B. Now we take the LHS left hand side of the associative law, LHS. Now we take LHS. LHS, left hand side of the matrix. What is the LHS? A bracket B cross C. Now put the value of matrix A and B. Matrix A value. Note down the matrix A and B cross C value. Matrix A value is here. Note down. And B and C value is this. Note down. It is clear. B and C value. Now we multiply A multiply B cross C and find the final result. Equal to row is multiplied by column. First row is multiplied by first column, then we receive the first element of first row in LHS side. 1 multiply by -1 -1 plus -1. The first element is multiplied by the first element, 1 is multiplied -1, and the second element of first row is multiplied by the second element of column is 0, -1 is multiplied by 0. -1 multiplied by 0. The first row, first column multiplication is complete, and we receive the first element of LHS side. Now second column is remaining of second matrix, then the first row is multiplied by the second column, then we receive the first row second column element of LHS side. The first element is multiplied, 1 is multiplied by first element 0, that is 0, plus second element -1 is multiplied by 0. Then we receive the first row second column element. Now no more column in second matrix. Now we come in the second row. Second row, first element is 0. First second row multiplied by the first column. Then we receive the second row first element of matrix LHS side. 0 multiplied by 1. 0 multiplied by -1 plus second element 2 of second row